5 AI-powered tools to finish your work in 1 hour. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 5 AI-powered tools that can help you finish your work in just 1 hour. We all know that time is precious, and sometimes we have too much on our plate. These tools will help you streamline your workflow and complete your tasks more efficiently. Number 1. Grammarly. Let's start with Grammarly, an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you with spelling, grammar, punctuation, and style. It's a fantastic tool for anyone who writes a lot, whether it's for work or personal use. It can also check your work for plagiarism and provide suggestions to improve your writing style. With Grammarly, you can save time by not having to go back and check your work manually. Number 2. Trello. Next up is Trello, a project management tool that uses AI to help you organize your tasks and workflows. You can create boards for each project and then create cards for each task. Trello uses AI to suggest which tasks to prioritize and even assigns due dates to tasks automatically. With Trello, you can save time by not having to micromanage your tasks. Number 3. HootSuite. If you're a social media manager, HootSuite is a must-have tool. It uses AI to help you schedule your social media posts and provide suggestions for the best times to post. It can also track your social media analytics and provide insights on how to improve your social media strategy. With HootSuite, you can save time by not having to manually schedule your social media posts. Number 4. Canva. If you're not a graphic designer but still need to create visually appealing designs, Canva is the tool for you. Canva uses AI to help you create designs quickly and easily. You can choose from a variety of templates, add your own images and text, and Canva will suggest layouts that work well together. With Canva, you can save time by not having to learn graphic design from scratch. Number 5. Zapier. Finally, we have Zapier, a tool that connects your apps and automates your workflows. Zapier uses AI to suggest workflows that can save you time and increase efficiency. For example, you can create a workflow that automatically adds new leads to your CRM or sends you an email when a task is completed. With Zapier, you can save time by not having to manually transfer data between apps. So there you have it, 5 AI-powered tools that can help you finish your work in just 1 hour. These tools can save you time and increase your productivity, allowing you to focus on the tasks that matter most. If you have any other AI-powered tools that you find useful, please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.